Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Ryan, you're watching Brotuned. Today we're going to do some testing with Lapua Polar Biathlon at 50 yards and at 100 yards through my CZ 457 LRP. We're going to start with 10 foulers. So we're going to shoot 10 shots at the top dot, probably one group on the left, one group on the right, keep my aiming point solid. And then we'll go down and print our actual group that we're gonna count, even though we count them all. And then we go to 100 for a few groups. And then I'll keep all my magnetospeed data here, so you guys can see the velocities of everything. And at the end of the video, see the total shots fired, the extreme spread, and the standard deviation. See if you guys want to try this ammo out. I haven't been having the best of luck with the more expensive ammo, but everything's a possibility. So let's see what we can do with this. Alright, let's get to some shooting. This is 50 yards, 10 foulers are already loaded in here. Magnetospeed is reset. Just get comfy and send some rounds. I'm going to put a half mil right now, just because of the wind. Wind's going right to left. So we're gonna turn it into the wind a bit. Okay, here we go. Top dot, 5 shots. Not too bad for the first 5. And we'll push left, half a mil for the next 5. Or we just shoot them right into the same group. My God. Next 5 shots will be on the sticky. How about we just try? Okay, we'll count these ones here. That was a pretty big group as well. The first one was like a unicorn group. Maybe I'll shoot another 5 just to see if we can replicate that. That was a nice group. Okay, I'm going to pull on 1 mil. And I'm going to shoot for the top sticky. That's my aiming point. So it's going to hit right of that. I can see the mirage like clearly blowing right to left. It's kind of boiling now, so maybe I can get 5 shots off here. Targets all over the place as well. Yeah, it's gusting again. All right, so the wind's definitely affecting it, because as soon as I see the mirage start boiling, they all start grouping, and then when I see it gust, they're everywhere. And that's only at 50 yards. We'll do 100 anyways. It's going to be pretty much a waste of ammo, but at least we'll have the shot data on the magneto speed. So we have 20 shots at 50 yards. Now let's take a few at 100 and see what we can do. I have 15 rounds loaded up, so I'm going to do 3 5-shot groups at 100. Let's see what we get. Shoot the 5 first. And I'm 1.6 mils up. Windage is 0. Winds are still gusting. But this is what I shoot in all the time, so this is what I'm going to shoot in for my testing as well, right? I'm going to pull right a mil, and we'll shoot another 5. Okay, and I'll go back half a mil now. Push 0.5 left. I'll come down 1/10 of a mil. We should be just off the right edge now, if the wind would die down. The last one was in the wind, and that group opened up. Well, that's a Polar Biathlon. It looks like it shoots pretty good. We'll have to have a look at the data and go from there.